Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what is in this box because it was sent by my good buddy Kyle, who has sent a whole bunch of stuff to the channel. We'll talk about that here in a sec. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you are enjoying the daily knife content on this channel and you'd like to support me, there is of course a link for my Patreon right down in the description. You get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this. This is probably the best side to get out here. This was kind of a random, this is a variant of knife, right? Some people like to see this stuff, some people don't like to see this stuff. You can't get this anymore. I'm sorry. I think this is one of the coolest versions of the Spyderco Shaman that ever has existed. And I'm kind of bummed that I miss it. I really should have gone after it. So this Shaman is in red G10 and CPM 4V steel. How cool is this? Let me turn the exposure up just a bit. Oh, so cool. Now, I think, is this, hang on here, let's make sure. This is an exclusive version of the Spyderco Shaman. Is it going to say whose exclusive it is? Is this Cutlery Shop? God, I hope I'm right. I hope I'm right. Oh no, God, no, it's St. Nick's Knives. Here we go. Oh God, I'm stupid. This knife was specially manufactured for St. Nick's Knife Factory, www.stnicksknives.com, and is only offered through their sales channels. I do not have an affiliate program set up with St. Nick's Knives, but that's not going to stop me from looking at this because I think this is cool. There are lots of different, sprints and dealer-exclusive versions of the Spyderco Shaman. I will link the Shaman right down below, and you guys can check out, what dealer exclusives are available through the retailers that I work with. But this guy, St. Nick's Knives, that was where they did it, and it is not available right now as far as I know. It's just really cool. This is just a really, really cool version of the Shaman. Boy, this would look great in some Flytanium scales, for sure. But, probably, I'm going to guess Kyle wants to leave this guy in its original form. Very cool. It's also interesting, 4V steel. This is the first time I've ever handled a knife in 4V, and while I can promise you guys I'm not going to go out and use it, it does give me an excuse to do a little bit more research on it and talk about it. It's certainly not a steel that we see commonly in the knife world. I know people want to know how it compares to 3V. I think 4V is actually tougher than 3V. But like I said, when we actually do the full video on this guy, I'll talk about 4V steel. It's a good opportunity for me to learn anyway. In any case, Kyle, thank you so much for sending this guy in. This will make a fun video. Like I said, links down in the description for versions of the Shaman that you can buy. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.